amarwa mu gato mu bwato tukatugato mu bwato kasheshe mu kiragaruza gagahiye
saba embazagura amarwa bakabijo wanyu banyweraho so bakamba guzo muhorsero mu rutera
ati abama baragandi bakabagura mu dite
ombwinji
agura bakamba tunde bisi nari nyungu
yes
Ekiri kuratako
hagirwe
bana Uganda mwenna mwebale kusima bachogela hub products olw'okufufuggaza endwadde z'ensusu zonna tonyereza bato n'abakulu era basimye empereza yaffe tuleese bipya ku katale.
Good Times Kawara Primary School nituyikiriza ngu buli mwezi nayetenga kutandika je kurugaha nasari kwika P7
omuzire obuhanguzi n'obutunga washomeseza omwana St Peter's SS Bombo Kalule.
Emitwe y'amakuru nekushyikibwaho
Omugachenchwire kireki ow'emyaka 35 yashangwa yisirwe aharuguto nyijendwa olwambara kabale
konga tukumanya kamerezi nizikora zine mugasho cyabo kuba oguno murundi guko gwa kashatu.
Polisi yacinge kinombe kiferirema abantu batano omuri kyamuhunga bushenye. Omushomo gwa Harvest Money ni nyenshakare enkuyanja kuruga heru ya Uganda barara betebekanise.
Technically we are here this week to represent ourselves at the Harvest Money Expo here in Kampala.
Nakwachira gundo murundi Mbabazi Charity na Sunday Brian. Omushisha w'emyaka 35 hitireta bushesheri zoba bamucumtebsyo bamwita kandi omberwe gwashango omuchambu kyeshagamaho muri Kagondo Cell nyakayejo muri Mbara City South aharuguto nyijendwa olwambara kabale. Omushisha ogu yamanyoheri ya living okurwa muri Mutara district ya Mtoma.
Nkashaha mwenda zihangwe abaturana bwe bareba umubiro gwa mutahi wabo aharubajirwe entabire y'ebihimba gushanjirwa amapapa g'ebishogashoga hamwe na n'ebinyansi hihina n'uruguto nyijendwa orwambara kabare omusere ya Kagando omuri Nyakayojo aho mu rurembo rwambara ubwo yashangwa omucambo cyeshagama abamwisire bamucumisire bisyo mu mbaju batyo bamuhenda maraka kandi basiga bamujura empare ye bajenagire hihina na mutahi bamwitire
nanya nabaye mfumudi wari umusigazi yawe narara umusere yawe asanga fire bamukira ukanatera landlord namumbuza angana ngo namaze mu tari yumuka nanya ko kwiza kasaba muravuye kurya
okureto muntu bakamujura n'emyenda bakamwita bakamushweka ebinyansi mazimeke kintu n'ekikorwa kibi munonga mwe nitwe nkabataka nitusaba government temikono akigambo kya security kugira ngo omwanya ebikorwa nk'ebyo bireke kubamu
ebikorwa by'obwisi bigumire nigije mirundi nyingi nta munonga aba basigaza batakora hati nk'eke kintu eki ubuzima cyakora kuri munonga so tubajumerera munonga kandi bigumire mbibaho umwanya gw'itoko
nyakwitwa yamanywaho area living okurugo muri Mutara mu district ya Mitoma kandi abire nakora imirimo y'emikono erimo kuhinjira sente na n'ibindi
abaryo muntu wabutosha ariko yarukore misarukore ko muntu wabujo kwa yarukora ko paraho
mwachi mamutangwa afiri
nani ngo musoro nashanga abantu bekunganyire nanya nakikaho kureba
mazu mece cikorwa kito muntu necikorwa kiri munonga umuceka kitu kandi kibire kitakabiremu mbone nticuzumirira abakwa bacikozere shaba polisi nibaronde bakwati yekose kamera zayo reba zuhaha erondora bantaho
umwanya uguba mwitiremo guroho kamera ibiri kandi hatabatura nibenda ngo polisi shohoza katamba kaba mwisire
kamera ziruhaha konga tukumanya kamerezi nizukora zine mugasho cyabo kuba uguno murundi gukogo wa kashatu hano nahabaho ubenge nkobu bitera abantu kamerezi tukazifollowinga ngo batugambere what's going on mu office bajyana mu kamera nekora nkabarondo mutakoze recikoro abura
okuba abantu bona ochuro kutandika n'echuro buzima sima kwa security yamani okuba abantu bona arono butakucenga aro bakucenga bona kuba kwiza abayezo anzya atosanga cyaro cyona cyana
polisi tabasa kugamba nitwe yahika hamwanya ugo nukwe kutwara mu birwanya kwitwa mu kabafahari imbara regional referral obwo kucondoza kuri kugendo misho ahabwa TV West nde area saritugusa
Jeze mukama mhumze omusinje ebyo kwerinda mu Rubushanyi district bacinga emirimo yona erukorerwa omukinombe kyezabu ekiferiremo abantu batano omuri Kyamuhunga abafire babire nibatimbe zabu mu kirombe eki kandi ekibomokire kikazika abantu ababire nibaronda okubarabeho
abebyo kwerinda omu district ya Bushenyi bacinga ekinombe kimazire kwita abantu batano ababire nibatimbe feza aharaka yangu muri Kyamuhunga
nituza kukinga hwaha ebintu bigenda mu misho tari omuntu ori kwikirizibwa kwijagarika kutimba ekyo bugigaha okutondoza kubene kugenda mu misho kandi kuturiburaho turi abantu bamanyisa
nzo kubanza tucondoze tumanye ababe baruho bata no huwa habahire nubakuzisaki so atakajiro wajirota ninda ngono murebe byo birya ninyendo kubiri kwene yuko byaguma wori je kutamwenga rongunaza kuchikwata no naza kukwataramu
so nobody is allowed to mine here when you are here mining you are violating the mining laws
bwanyuma yakagwaka kubaho omumbagenza kahatamo kuzimu aho itaka rya muzikire kandi abatura basimira bebembeza bakozere cyango okureba ngo umuntu guyazikurwa
haki itwe bintu tubikora na polisi hati turionza kugira urukiko na polisi na bari abachina tubete tumanyo kubizire neba gukora nibiya
abyo kwerinda barabizeho ikirango ngo umuntu wene uraze kugaruka kutimbe fezo mwanya ogu aine kuba ine license polisi ikiriza baferirwa kuzika abantu babo bwanyuma yo kuceberwa
nebyona abagenzi tuhereze cyumuro cy'ugitine kitwasa kubakora
gasha kwa Ben Muhozi
Ben Muhozi right actually ohereze kwitwa akutandika kw'esabiteji yazikwa omurumatinza omugombora Nyakabande omuri Kisoro district actually hakitwa bwanyuma yo musirikare orukuma ebihome okumutera amasasi omuri Kiboga district.
Komishona w'ebihome Apora Kankunda owajukira mukuru w'ebihome mu Uganda yahumuriza beka konka yasima omurumo gwa akishura koriri hanga n'omutima gumwe. Akishura kitwa n'abatayi be bana bwanyuma y'obutekerezana kubarukaho aha kihome kya Kiboga.
Every occupation has what we call hazards. I know many people you have read the news, media, some are passing brave, but every occupation has hazards. Our comrade died in the line of duty through gunshots.
Ariko kuva aruba dufite inzira hari inzira yo guca Masindi guca Karuma yo guca Bonyima baya Kiboga ariko yonke buri munsi guca Kiboga kugira ngo mwakure ariko nageze Kiboga mutereye isimu arangira ati no ati munsi ndi interpreta mu koti ya high court judge ntabwo tubibona ngo tugera hamwe abigisoro banyakure so that's how I listed things in email from last time.
Omukazi w'ejo yakishuri n'abanyabuzarebe bagamba hamugenzi nk'omuntu murungi kandi obire nakunda abantu. Okuzika kwahikaho n'omukazi omujusha rw'omu ishengero abwa district ya Kisoro Grace Akifeza.
Hardworking person, respects everyone, fitted in every age, a happy person, and was rising very fast in his profession.
Ekanisa ya Jumere bahagaro ebiyongero mu Uganda.
But sooner or later you hear them, you see the person coming back. You just see the prisoner coming back. Coming back to the community. Coming back to the church. And it's a threat to human life. And everybody is aware. That's why mob justice is at its rise.
Akishuri yafera ha myaka 3 kandi yasiga omukazi omwe n'abana 3. Gasha kwa keta tuzarirwe.
Ntrashana family zezo hezurugirweho abantu babo abajungu hokorwa mu mahanga ga Buraya abarukuza kwejumbira umworeko gwa Harvest Money Expo bahiza kwegaranjiro mu ihanga umworeko gwa Harvest Money nugwisha kutandika izoba rya nyenshakare ebirabiro na mshanjwe kwa 2026 kandi nugwisha kwa ekibanza cyo kwa kashatu 2026.
Abajungu abahereze kwegaranjira omwihanga harimo abarukuruga Netherlands, Germany, Malaysia kandi abantu bazakoreka ebintu bitari bimwe na bimwe ebikwasire aha buhinji hamwe n'oburisa. Volker Hedman owa Hellman Portrait nashaba abantu abino obuzubu omukurisa kutari kumwe na kumwe okwija mu bwinji bakatunga obukugu oburabahwere.
As more people are interested in doing modern type farms and get more profitable with the equipment that we have. So the market is very good for us in Uganda and very promising for the future. Now my aim is that we will participate on the money harvest in Kampala, and it would be nice to see you here.
Wong Kalkin owa LLK Agrosystem kuruga Malaysia nawe yashikiro mu ihanga.
So this is my first time in Africa,
It's a very, very good opportunity for me to come here to explore and to promote my company. So what we do is we are a contractor. We are in the construction industry, but we focus on building poultry houses and pig farms. All the poultry-related houses like layer house, pullet house.
Max Mullman owawe Daman hamwe na Wester Pump Gimbu na Jirango Harvest Money yahwire akajetabamo kandi akihamwa bukugu bwinji.
We are here this week to represent ourselves at the Harvest Money Expo here in Kampala, together with our local dealer, Mr. Samuel Wagasaba from African Choice Holdings Limited. And my message for the people out there is to definitely join this expo. It's a great expo to show the agricultural standards in Uganda and around the world. We would love to have discussions and meetings with plenty of farmers. If you have a time, the expo is from Friday to Sunday. We will be showing ourselves and we are very eager to meet the Ugandan farmers.
Wagasaba Samuel owa African Holding na Jirango mworeko ogwo mwaka ogu gutebekanisiibwe gye niko kushaba abanya-Uganda okwijo mu bwingi bakege bintu bitari bimwe na bimwe.
Tulina abakugwa by'okuzimba farm n'okuzimba amakolero okuva Philippines. Tulina abakuwa ebyuma by'embizi. Embizi wezizaalira, weziriira, wezebaka, wezifunire bugumu. Okureducinga obokendeeza kukuta obubizi nga buzaalibwa n'okubeera nga naawe ofuna target eyeetaagisibwa mu mbizi zo. Tweyunire muguno omweroso ogujja ogwa Vision Group ogenda okubeera okuva nga 27 February paka nga 1 March.
Chintu nasa owakasirye Breeders Mityana na Jirango nibaza kworeka ente z'amate omumworeko ogu kandi Michael Julius tumwebaze owa Jurita Coffee Works Limited na Jirango nibaza kworeka enkorensya eyo kuhinga omwani.
Tukowoola abalimi okubaawo mu mwoleso guno ogenda otandika ku Friday ng'era nga ffe tudiringira mu nte ez'amata. Abangi bade bakayana n'olugendo okujja Mityana naye leero tusazeewo tusembere n'ekibuga.
Nenga banoonya company eziri organized enteeketeeke ate nga zirina obukugu obumala okumanaginga projects ez'omutindo ate nga zirina guaranteed returns on investment.
Za kampuni nyingi nka Inksol, Staunch Machinery Uganda, Kasirye Breeders Mityana bona bahereze kutebekanisa ebibari kuza kworeka abanya-Uganda omumworeko ogu. Amakuru aga gasha kwa Ismail Nsubuga na Abdukarim Sengendo.
Mwebere abashatsi baitu b'amakuru reka tumireho tugaruka n'agandi.
Movit Relaxer Cream brought to you by Africa's leading hair and skin experts. I get to wear my hair like I live my life.
Agarukurataho Bright Akshuri ohereze kwitwa omukumi w'ebihome yaziko muri Kisoro.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Skylight Hotel, eresra uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City. Ahi barukereza breakfast, ngakatogo, omelette, Rolex, sumbusha, chapati, chai yamate, eyo mukaru, akatunda ko murembe nebindi.
Bineyo na chamushanere kutandika shamu kaga zihangwe. Nibateke nkoko, embuzi, ecenyanja, muchemo, obushaza, akaro, ekitoche, echozi, emondi, greens, obutura, eshwiga, kande cyo kunywa, niki kigenderaho.
Hey, manya bino buraro burungi bwo murembe aha beyi nungi kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira
bine bara yo murembe pool table sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kace aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete ijuka ngu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera no tumushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga no tumushanje no tumukaga 36
Hayes Recruitment Experts Jobs Abroad n'amashemererwa minji nitutabarusi y'abantu mwena umwaka musya ogwe2026 kandi nitumanyisa abantu mwena nguri tukinda abantu binji abashije n'abakazi abojo n'abishiki emyaka 21 okwisari 25 okwerache Kenyonyi Dubai emirimo nka customer service airport security aviation stewards check-in agents landing ground guides na aircraft cleaners. Hayes Recruitment niyo company esinjira zindi zono mu Africa okuhereza emirimo ey'obujunanizibwa omwaka ogutuherize ogwe2025 okwehandikisa n'okwabusha free registration amataji gitu gona esimu not mushanju ina not emwe 2 3 4 5 6 ninga not mushanju ina 5 5.
For years they have studied, they have trained, they have persevered. Now, the moment of honor has come. Finns Medical University is proud to announce its 5th graduation ceremony. We cordially invite our graduating class of 2025, their esteemed parents and guardians, and the general public to join us in this celebration of academic excellence and professional dedication. The chief guest will be the Right Honourable Anita Among, the Speaker of the Parliament of Uganda. The university will also celebrate its charter. The ceremony will be held on Friday, the 27th February 2026, at the Finns Medical University campus in Fort Portal. Proceedings commence at 9 a.m. Finns Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa.
Manager, ogito wagito. Konka batumu kidara, kabataka jiremu. MC takiziri. DJ atumwe na wiring ebyoma. Tugumisize shanki ibiri.
Bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha. Twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju. Tikizana ngu okushara cake ni shamushanju. Nizeze nyine. Iyo ni shara cake tukaza kunyumba.
Na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanyuire mbogo. Nikushecherera nikuteganisa wena ngende mbogo yoka. Oine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera. Ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje.
Hati mchara
wanje mwami
numanya abana nabagaruka yahishomero kandi ibintu bicira kubi abo ashota kutwara icweka cha fiza yishomero rya junior rireza moto tukazishashura bwanyuma
mwami wanje abo acita kushashura ntukozesa momo no tukutungira umugisha gwo kwangura school fees zo mwaka gwona nebindi konka nabwo basa kushabaroni ya fizi obwe n'amashomero agacejumbira ndige basa kwangura school van
namazuma singura school fees yo mwaka gona nebindi binji tunga binji ahabwa momo na vani yishomero ahabwo kwejumbiramo no basa no kushabaloni eya school fees echawe nyiga star emwe mukagitano star munana noti hash ninga koresa momo app.
Tumu Medical Institute irashangwa muri Rugongo Karongo Buhweshu District barakira beja bojo n'abeshiki okwija kushoma certificate yo nurse nursing certificate yo buzalisa midwifery diploma yo nurse extension diploma yo buzalisa extension itenda cyo handiswa mu bwijire omu ministry yo bwegesi nemizano kangire na center number okuruga mu Unimap itenda cyo ginentani sabwo buherezo skills lab ejure byo kushomeraho abashomeza batenda kigweji library jire bitabo internet na wifi ya bushabwa beje na staff igwariro ryo kuragurira benje bagwara entambura ya bushabwa benje babarahumura na babarahumuruka ebyo kuriya biri fresh kuruga mu famu zitendekero abenje bona baratunga buraro bwa busha umwanya ni muhango kandi gwehererire ahabwa benje kushoma kurunje abenje barashoma certificate barashashura sirinje miliyoni 1.50 aba diploma sirinje miliyoni 1.4 okumenya birakiraho tera not mushanju 5 mushanju mushanju ni 5 mushanju ni 3 10 excellent innovation and diversity in health.
Reka nkwanjurira Ibanda Secondary School. Ibanda Secondary School ni ishomero ry'abojo erukushangwa Kagongo Division Ibanda Municipality rirya hamusingwe Kereziya kandi ryebembero w'abanyadini aba Brothers of Christian Instruction. Nitwebembezo kutina ruhanga okubaje kwa beji ebyo bwegese ni class ya higuru kandi ombye mzano tino rukutwingana nitsima abazire abeji abegesa nabebembezi bishomereri abo kora kurunje bigezo ebyihanga buri mwaka okwika harengo rwihanga ombye mzano nka football, volleyball, chess na basketball kandi bakaikana harengo rwa East Africa ombya debate nitsima old boys ahabo kukunda no kuhagira ishomero bakatwombekere cyayi cyo murembe kandi ntubakira habo byemzano yabo eri kuza kuhendera ishomere birabiro na kimwe kwa kasha 2026 turiyo ntitebekanisa kujaguze myaka nkaga kwihishomere ritandika ronchi nebiri 12
omukwa mukaga 2026
ikintu cyo kunywa aza mwana bategerize ubundi
konka mwana mazimo rya hano bari bategerize mu mbagano mangwe shazakiri wansuko mu motoka riyo nenyusi yo gwija kunywa
mucyara unam utatinda ndenda ngubije bakuroze hakunandanywa uriye cyatuma naguma hano joka mufondorira kahurire
Nkamwana tera chairman wembaga akongeze binako kishahemu ito twe tuyon tuno diplomat akatuka kanusira hanga wanje
ukanyiha ambi mucyara n'abagine diplomat ebindi byayenda bireje bigende n'abagine n'intere ekorwa ba diplomat habo America Limited ekoze ko mu mugusha entangawuzi inanasi ukochi ihamigwa ba UNPS
twakuretera ishomero nyamurungi Light Secondary School Nyabubare Bushenyi District neryabojo nabishiki kandi ni dena boarding eine unib center na license ya ministry yebyo bwegese bamaziro bwire buringwa bari gukora job bigezo ibya sine ya kana na sine ya mukaga omuri Bushenyi District bine library na laboratory biryamutino gwa ministry yebyo bwegese otebirwe na computer lab kandi bibyona nibiwera beji okwikaja amashomo gabo nishangwa umugombora ya Nyabubare omuri Igara West bakine emyanya musine yo kubanza okukasine ya mukaga iwe teresimu uyetunjira umwanya noto mushanje ina 3 ashatu ni 5 5 nemwe 30
Kurukayo mukahumuro hentebekanisa zo kujeka beji runana 50 at Fins Medical University no kugenda misho om district ya Fort Porto omukoro no gwanyensha kare kandi umunyamakuru witu John Nsingwire arna team yona okuganira na Vice Chancellor Witende Shireri Dr. Deogracious Mujisha okwentebekanisa zemerire
wewe munonga charite kandi eshaheje impato emerire aha Fins Medical University aba izo baryanyisa kare abeje batari bari kurenga umurunana niba kubana bahendere imishomo yabo kandi tureba ngo umukoro gumpaha umujenyi mukuru naza kuba ari speaker wishinje rya Uganda Anita Amongo biteshaheje impanyenda ngo twabasa kuba tunga Vice Chancellor wa University Jimpano bamwita Dr. Deogracious Mujisha kugira ngo akabasa kuba natugambira ibiri kuceraho aha ntebekanisa zo mukorwanya cyo kugura atandike na nukura abase kuba ni kugenda umisha twakwakira aha Agacencwire TV West
niwe bari munonga
nuza kuba natugambira aho batureba bakweto hadeni utugambira ntekateka ya nyinca kare eyemerire
amazina ganje Dr. Deogracious Mujisha
ni kurite ndekeri y'abashaho rukushanga mu Fort Portal Town City izo bari yanyencha kare nizo barukura bwa university tuza kuba ntushoza abana abahereze mishomo yabo etari yemwe nemwe ombushaho ombuzarsa ombunansi Mbabazi n'abakutendeka bashomesa abakuza kutunga degree zabo nyencha kare nibingana abeji 820 omujenyi mukuru w'umukorogu ni speaker wa parliament w'ishengero ry'ihanga Antamungu hamwe n'abandi abagenyi bakuru nka minister w'ibyamagara Ruse Acheng n'abandi bingi baza ko bari yantu expectinga kuba n'abagenyi bakuke 13 izo bari yanyencha kare nabwo icyo kandi umukoro n'ugumutano yarabireho kuba abana beja bakuza kushozwa university inechata eto atungire umwaka ugwire birabi na mukagu ku 10 eto ahirwa president w'ihanga Mwami Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.
Maybe atwaza anshonga ya chate jompo ni umuntu na okuryo kunanda kwetebeka kweti kubasa kugira ngo acenge chate jimpa ni manyisa chi a university.
Chata niyo sebaruha erukirayo obuhango omukutunga orusarwo kushomesa omutendero gwa university narengo rwa university naramatendekeraga yiguru nabwo nyuma chata netuhereza inchizo kuba ntumanywa nka university zindi hati ntwegerageransa na Makerere na Cyambogo na Mubuzi nezindi kandi no gitunga waheza kuhamibwa ngo inebe kwetengesa oinabashomesa tubini oinebiri ebina tubini oine laboratories zo kushomesa abana bakora practicals nebinde kushomesa bwebye kwata practicals byona tubini wanyuma kukwiza kore ebyo bakwereza chata wanyuma hati ni utandika kutunga abana abakutunga scholarships za government abantu batandika kujita mu bwesije gukubotine chata nibawota kumanya banoza gumaho batorugumaho uko kuza kutunga chata yo kwebwa president w'ihanga abo otongozo kandi utandika kushomesa mutendo gwa higuru utunga ubuyambe mu mahanga gaheru utunga ubuyambe mu government omanywa kandi webwe somo mbyo kubana ukora
aha mukoro gwanyensa kare twaza kureba ni mashumo ci wo kutorabira mu kace kace ni mashumo cyagumurabe n'umujweka abeja bamba
izoberi yanyensa kare tuza kuba twine abakutunga degree zo bushaho zo bunasi tuna abakutunga degree zo buzarsa tuna abakutunga degree zo kutendeka abashomesa bakushomesa matendeke abakutendeka abashaho twine certificates na diplomas zabakore Mbabazi hamwe n'indijo programu erukugita abakurwa mu senior 6 abakubana baza mu university tweta HIP higher education access program zo bari yanyencha kare
turukumarizo mukorwa nyensa kare umuntu wariyo kompana basakwe unda aija hanu ya shazinga ntuza kuba tandika shazinga he kandi tukugenda shazinga
mukoro neja kutandika shanke mwene chweka kandi shamushanju ntwatwahereze tubatine bwire bwo kumarra abantu barugahare abantu bino kwijombwire bakakwata ubwire tukabwena kureba kwenda kora twachikora umbwire ensian nungi twatebekanise bintu byona birije munonga shaye mwene chweka sha ishatu ina itanu abajenyi bashutamire shanki itanu ne chweka twashoma amazina gabana twabahandiguri zabo sha mushanju twakinga twazari cyamishana umukuru twaguheze
utweze bigamo byo byamuhera ubwe turuksibo
abaturize mwena nimbashaba nyenchakare abesirwe mwija mukoro kuma mutari kubasa kwijana mwija kugerebera amtimbaganera aberuho kandi nishabangu muthabana tuine program zinsia zitukuza kutandika kwa munana arengo rwa masters ukwezi kwa munana mutuhereza abana hati no kwakira abana kuciroho batuhereza abana bije bashome umurya umukose zeze twagamba abashaho abazarsa abanasi abashomesa bakutendeka abashomesa tuine medicine bachelors in medicine and pharmacy hatujine twatungire chata bikagwa karezo tukatandika izo program tukatandika umwaka ugwire hato abari umwaka gwa kabiri mutuhereza abana
okay yabari munonga ugwempo yabari vice chancellor wa Fins Medical University ari kutushobora aha mukoro gwanyisa kare kandi bano kimanya ngo umukoro gumpo kugura bene gutandika kuruga kutandika mpaka muheru uza kuba tubyine live aha TV West ubwo biri muri bigenda omisho hanuya nabandi Jonathan Tsingwire hano umurembo orwa football
wabere mnonga Jonathan Tsingwire reka tomereho ntujagaruka nagandi amakuru
nitukwanjulira Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management ishomero lyonka erikyasingirayo okugunjura abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa aha rurengo rwa certificate na diploma diploma in medical laboratory technology, diploma in medical records and health informatics, diploma in pharmacy. Rero bagaruka bashomesa certificate na diploma in nursing and midwifery. Ishomereri erine medical laboratory erime byomba nibereba ko muntu library eyomurembe computer z'ekika cyahiguru kandi byemizano bakabiteka mamanika kandi ishomereri rahamibwe ministry eyobwegesiye na ministry of health kandi bine bus rugogoma eyokutambuza abeji ebyombeko ebyomurembe hamwe no mwanya rugogoma go kushomeramo ebitabo ogurukorebeka kurungi nirishangwa hangudo nyegendwa eyambarara isingiro odakakiro mutahuni ya kaberebere okumanya birukukiraho note mushanju ibiri kaga na mushanju ashatu nibiri kaga nemu. Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management, we strive for quality health.
Noyendebero byanyense birungi ahaba umwana wawe Kinon High School erukushangwa haruguto rwambara kabare nico kigarukwa mu cyawe bino bwegeso bumutindo bine ona A level omashomaga arts na sciences enshomesa yabo netebana na curriculum mwensya programs zabo nizitebekanisa beji okwika kurunje buzo no kurengaho bakaba basinguzi ombyamagara agabwa nyuma ye class Kinon High School bine ibiciro ry'ibitabo library ejiro bwenje obwo kubuture byo kucondoza abeji okoshomera habwa bonka laboratory erikwera abeji okangahanga ebisya nebyoga abashomesa batendekirweje kandi behireyo ahabo businguzi bwa beji
okwandika beji nikugenda omisho Kinon High School neshangwa Rwampara aharuguto nyigendwa orwambara kabare hihi na Rwampara District Headquarters esimu note mushajoti 2 kinana nemwe cyenda nishatu 13
Rwashamire Vocational Institute itendekero ry'amashomo ga business na technical studies international diploma human resource management, public administration, guidance and counseling, computer science and English IT, records management, accounting and finance, business management, journalism, tourism, building construction, electrical installation, mechanics, plumbing hamwe n'agandi minji. Amashomaga gona nagabuzubwa ebitongore nka UBTEB, DIT hamwe na Makerere University. Rwashamire Vocational Institute twine in service, pre-service hamwe na short courses netushangwa Rwashamire Town Council aharuguto rwantunga mu rukunjiri kandi okwehandikisa nukugendo misho tera enamba zesimu 0772 9 0
Mommy?
Yes?
At school, everyone crunching.
Nange kumulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Anti ku highway nga mvuga. Sisumagire echo shua. Honey, mwana muwe.
Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
Ejini St. Aloysius Girls Secondary School Kitanga erukushangwa muri Kitanga Parish Kashambya Sub County Rukiga District n'ishomero ry'abishikibonka kandi rurukoraza beji ishomero rirakatanda kwa diocese ya Kabare kushomesa umwana wo mushikira kamutaha mutindo ishomero ryine Karumagezi library oburaro burunji laboratory ya science amashanyarazi ebyemizano okweshongora scouting ebyadini ebyobuhinji n'oburisa ebyemikono hamwe n'ebindi binji okwehandikisa nukugenda omisho hishomero okumanya birukukiraho tera noti mushanju noti 3 2 19 noti 2 ninga noti mushanju 3 94 8
Cooking all that makes food sweet, tastes so good like mama's keys. Sweet Tamasana, yeah. Stir gold is the oil you need for a tasty meal to live a healthy, happy life. Stir gold, refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Mkatandika kuzo muhane financial services 12 neshahe jinchirumu mbwena wo wire bwona ndiyo muramama okwari kugenda nayo ngeraho nigenda nayo ko kugenda nayo ngeraho nigenda nayo ebintu binyine ni ntekateka ngwe bikukira mbikozere na muhame abo kubanka banyihayo sente kabanza kushubure bikade kanyihayo nshubure bikade narwo mbikade nazo mwani konka all along sente zinabire nkozesa ne sente za banka ya muhame nashaba loni te kutwara biro bishatu baba mpire sente sonyo mameti nyine kindu kugigamba nguzire protisi nyombekera amajwi go kupangisa ahamana ga muhame
In this sacred month of Ramadan, we reflect, we pray, we give, and we rest. As you observe Suhoor and stand in Tarawih, may your nights be filled with Sakina, your du'as be accepted, and your heart overflow with shukr. Let resting on rose foam mattresses be part of your journey so you wake up refreshed, ready for another blessed day of ibadah and kindness. Ramadan Kareem from
Rose Farm, a world of beautiful dreams.
Ishomero chebembira gandi gona omu 2026 ni St Karemba Secondary School Villa Maria nirishomesa bojo n'abishiki kandi bine day na boarding abashomesa batendekireje ebyo kurya no buraro bwabeje bibonire mnonga ishomero ryo mu mwanya gweherire ekiri kubasabeje okukora kurunje mu bigezo byabo ishomereri riyine na washing machine ekiri kumanyisa ngo abeje tubari kuteganisibwa kozi emyenda abana nibegesibwa kutina ruhanga kandi bachebembiro mu kutwara emidari yo kushomora ururimi rwo rujamani St Karemba Secondary School nirishangwa Villa Maria omu district ya Karungu. Kwenda kumanya biri kukiraho tera note mushanju note 5 nkaga na 8 nkaga ni 5 kinana na mukaga note mushanju note 4 5 ni 5 kinana na 9 24.
Kurkayo aba ebo sako batongwisa obuhereza bwa grow loans omuriro wa manja Kamwenge district obuhereza obwo bwa grow nubwija kuba nobuhereza abakazi bonka za loan zitarimo magobagona.
Omukoro gwa ebo sako ogukutongoza obuhereza wa loan ya grow gubira hitaji lya Rwamwanje om district ya Kamwenge.
Nero chitunga epo sako obwire bwingi tufireyo munonga kwenda mukwiha abakyara omugoro kandi omurundo ogututunjira omugisha kugira ngo government nitwetiremo bwesije yaturetere sente z'amagoba make kugira ngo tuba customer bitu nabo tubagarurire ninga tubayambe kureba ngo bayijunisa sente z'amagoba make barwo mugoro
ogutanje no kwegisa abakazi okubarije okoresa obuhereza obu Elias yarhanga orukurra ebya loans om ebo sako na timu ye begisa abakazi okubine kwetungura bonje no kuransoboro omaka gabo
watu ungarono kuruko mbanga
kama unapata mkopo kutoka bank
usichele kugira plan yokora shashuri
unabidi uwe na plan gisu tayari
wasako watu yokushashura burisande yaho
unabidi useme takuwa na nyuma wala kila mwezi
kokiwe otegwetera ku plan yokora beno bike sente zo burizo
ugashogwe sentezi no kwiha eteka tekere yira ombantu na mnonga abacyara omukazi tukugira mutoshemerire kugira cyuwagera omukazi oshemeye kugira ebintu ebyo hanja hangireho icyo barebera tukuza abariyoni batandika nituzuhogwa ina yashikire
saving na epo kore nayo I tell you nisha kubaje bro ibisha
abebembezi omudisiti ya Kamwenge basima ebo sako banje no kushaba abakazi okoresa je sente es
kandi ngareke ntangira ba ebo sako mwebale okuleta omuga muhango omukoma kataje batawuni kanso really for us we achieve like 99%.
mukoreje mwese sente mugingahare kandi mpereze n'abandi bantemero
ombutongore okoresa loan ya grow omuru Kamwenge kwigwiroho omubutongore Dr. Dennis Tukaikayo omushuganisa wa Grow Uganda.
Government of Uganda and World Bank project kuyamba targeting abacyara abayi omu business kugira ngo bakore business zabo baziha level bagita level ndisho kugira ngo abacyara babase creating emirimo bakemployinga youth and fellow women.
Sente ezimuratware mukadum business zanyu zikeyongera.
Pesa ze mtakamata mnatia ma business zenu na business zetu zinainuka.
Wabaine business ya milioni emwe twazagaruka tukashanga at least ine milioni 2. Wabainisha tu tukashanga ine 5. Twashangira ine mbuzi 2 tukashanga ine mbuzi 5.
Ndende kugira ngo twabinge narteze abantu b'icwekecho na refugees and host community. Uzendezo nunji kudenga mu muzibura government zinamagwa make
Ebusako owahati eina mataji 20 omu district 38 okwetorora ihanga Uganda. Amakuraga gasha kwa Evans Taremo.
Ishomero ry'empunji heriya Changwali Secondary School neri kushangwa omunda ya camp y'empunji ya Changwali Refugee Settlement rutunjire byombeko by'oburaro bwabojo kandi bimazireho miliyoni 4 okurugwa mu bantu aba Japan.
Chyombeko eki nikije koraza abaana 67 kandi chyombeko rw'abantu okurugwa mu Japan abarukwegitirwa mu kigombi kya Association for Aid and Relief ninga Japan AAR.
2, 3. Wow.
And I think that Uganda is now trying to develop the education systems. The district to district, region to region, different systems, different and the unique systems. But to me here, I witnessed, very successful example of the education, the whole. Not only the education, but I can see the people's smiles and the lives here.
We have already had some positive response because the learners have increased, the population has increased in the school. This means accessibility is being witnessed. However, this again comes with another challenge of classrooms. Because now the population is big, we have resorted to using tents.
Mukuru w'ebyobwegyese mu district ya Kikube Deogracious Byakagaba nagira ngo ekinjisha kwera empunji n'abanya-Uganda abari kushomera mu ishomereri.
Our transition rate from primary to secondary is 35%, which means out of 100 children who enroll in P1 and are able to complete P7. So 100 of them who complete P7, 35 of them are able to continue with secondary education. And you can see that transition rate is low. And what brings it about is accessibility to secondary education.
About that funding is needed as early as yesterday. We'll continue having more need for more funders to come on board. We know it very well, and it is very imperative for each and every one of you who are watching to know the global challenges that are happening in the world that are changing. Many of the partners who are here have closed office. Many people have, been laid off, and this is a challenge.
Changwali SSC eina beji rwenda nshanju aho beji bishatu 9 na mshanju na bishi kandi rukagi 13 na bojo. Omugandi abembezi ba district ya Oyamu okurwa mu matemba ga Uganda batayire district y'Ibanda na general Chokushoma bemwe habarakorese okusyo buhereza abantu mu cweka cyabo.
Our intention basically was about service delivery. In the national assessment performance being conducted by Office of the Prime Minister, we realized that in every financial year, Uganda performed always very fair and very well.
We first start by doing needs assessment. We don't go and impose on them. We go and ask them in this period what are the pressing issues, with which areas do you want us to train you. Then they tell us, for us, we have this problem of coffee diseases, maybe we have a problem with banana wilt, or maybe anything that is disturbing them. Then we come back and plan.
Omyaka ebire hingwire district ya Oyamu ekabe yigana 26 na 96 district zone mu Uganda kandi hati bagiri bando kopa bimwe habukoryo obakoresa mu district yabo kutungura obuhereza.
Parameters during assessment is about timelines. When do you hold the councils? When do you lay budget? When do you approve budget?
Competitions zatu zirimu units igana shanju na mukage zihangariyone. Wonka kushangari urukubo kubanza wakozire kuboka bo wa kabiri. Byabire bimonongo kabo wa kashatu. Mbenu bagize muri katugende tuze kubebuzaho n'icyeco ekikureta baguma barabatyo. Ico kubanza n'ubwebembeze burungi.
We are going to carry not for our personal use, but as we go back home, we are going to share with our electorates. We shall also one time maybe have an ample time to pose many questions. Why do we have this district structured the way it is structured? Because this district was born in 2005 and Oyam was born in 2006. So we have come to learn from the elder brother or the elder sister.
RDC wa Oyamu wanyuma y'omushomogu akirize ngubuzima Oyamu nekiburwamu kandi araganise kutamwa amani.
Observation number 1. From what they presented, I've seen we have gaps. We have what? Gaps. I will not mention them. Those are what? Our gaps. I would like to request the CAO and the chairperson that from here, as we go back to Oyam, we convene a meeting of this caliber as soon as possible next week. We go through our gaps.
Okusheba districts okurukorwa office y'enganzi y'ihanga nukureba habuhereza nk'amizi obwegese iby'amagara n'obundi buhereza gashakwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto na Timothy Mushabi.
Umuganda makuru gita Agacencwire tureba uko mubangizi Amos bibangamba umuhinji w'omwani okwari kurebera emisiriye y'omwani akiha mu shango bibangamba no mutura w'omcharo cha Nyakagezi ho mu rukagwa Nyarutojo mu Kambuga ho mu district ya Kanungu kandi ogunakorese byumsa ebyo buhangwa okurebera emisiriye y'omwani.
Twaka famu ya Bangamba omucharo cha Kagezi omuruka gwa Nyarutojo omurukambuga district ya Kanungu kandi najya nakorese bijumisa byo buhangwa ningash organic manure ebumhorire kurebera jo mwanugwe.
Manure ni tujja kugishikaho nayo tugirebe ukundi kugikora ukundi kugitebekanisa mbweni yo ninkolesa ebyabuliju ningashi ninkolesa manure eyabuliju etali eji zitali za fertilizer ningachi ebi kurugo mu factory ninkolesa ebyabulije bitokwasa kwete ebirungo biro organic.
Okukolesa organic manure kigwenire munonga musiromba injo omwani aho kugira ngo yote kubahenda umuntu nakolesa ebintu byakuba ino mukaye gaba kuba bineyo amatungo bakolesa nkanshonde yembuzi ningasha amashagente bagamixinga mune binde bakubasa kufuna nkebihaturo ningashi ebishu by'omwani
ebijumise bya rukoroso mufamu na bukoro mwezi gagoburo ebishu by'omwani amasha n'ebishu by'imiti bwayima y'ebijumise bikujunda na harugamwe bishorobwa ebirukwero mu kwisya kwitaka omwani guma no gutunga kirisa burukiri
amizi mbenu amiza garukwetenga kunywa gogo nkabwetenga kunywa amizi mwene gwabana gutunga amizi agari kugumara agugurukwetenga kunywa kandi gwina na manure eyo kugurisa eri kumara hato mwana ogwetiburi kundura
okorese bijumisa nkebi hona ndachwero kurinde byo buhangwa no kurwana sempenda hinduka yobwiri
urwezo oyire ukongera urwezo mwitaka igaraka eyongera umutindo kwitaka itaka rugumara rije rukubasa kwata amizi rinke kifarasi kugira ngo nenjura yagwa amizi tugakwikakurabamo negumaniga kwata dene yongera umusharuro ahamwani kandi ikindi yo wagitira mwitaka tekufaga hwamu nekora mpora imaraho ubwire buringwa munonga ezifatalize zimukureba nazonzure meetinga gases zikutume ensi yagumane hindahinduka ezitweta greenhouse gases na mwene nkejo fertilizer netuma gas iba kweta nitrous oxide irikutuma ensi yaguma nehindahinduka yarugamo.
aha nshongeji abahango by'omwani nibarabara babona abari kuhinga obutosha okushoroma omwani oguhire kurungi kibahwera butita katare
no wanoshoroma omwani omutindo gw'omwani wanoshoroma enjume yiri embiso gireki ogireki rero nke nangejo omwani gwaguri munko bukoko ogufuyirire kwenda gutagira ki gutashishikara
gashaka kweza Wilfred
kwebere weza Wilfred reka tumereho ntugaruka.
New Vision aha myaka 80 bakuretera makoma butunu live on concert bwanyuma y'imyaka 25 bakaririrwe aba makoma bagaruka ku tetiro cy'amani ecyo kweshongora no kuhisa urwa katanu ebiro mukaga byo kwa kashatu omwakogu aha Rukororo Independence Grounds Tera Star 252 okugura tickets ziyahashinje mitware 5 aha bwabona 15 aha bwa VIP 25 ahabwa VVIP wayende meza tera not mushanju 58 chenda na mkaga 11 mkaga na mkaga tariho kuguruza ticket aha miryango utakaburaho makoma live on concert Bishagikire Pacific Events Lion Records.
Yantode School of Nursing and Midwifery nibetebe jibwena abahiriza sini ya kanane ya mkaga kwisha kwehanditsa habwa amashomo ga certificate na diploma ombunasi obuzarsa na lab technology omweje rukwenda umwanya oshemire kubushyikiro kubara n'orujungu hamwe n'ebya science iwe rukwenda kushoma diploma oshemire kuboyine certificate of nursing na midwifery kandi omazire myaka 2 mu field buri mweje na hawo mugisha go kushoma gan mashomo ga teknolojia kumwongera mugisha go kuhakanara nyensia nka scanning na sonography lab technologies business na vocational skills na byo bitakwibiri basaries zichiruho mugiro bwira ishomero nirishangwa ryantonde haruguto rwa Kampala mbarra kandi kumayibiri kukiraho terano tumushanju 8 mkaga nshanju 3 nshanju 5 ashatu na 1
best friend waffe MTN yo yadala gamba nti best friend MTN yo yadala nyo
tutandikidde Kampala naye tugenda mu ggwanga lyonna nga tugaba school fees wa mwaka mulamba
twebaza omukama okuba nti nno atuwadde omukisa guno ate ne MTN okuba nti esasulidde omwana fees ez'omwaka omulamba ebe tutikudde omugugu era kuba sente zo ziba nyingi nnyo
sasula school fees ng'okozesa momo onyiga star emu mukaga 5 star 80 hash ng'osasula school fees w'omwana wo essomero nga liwangula school van nawe bw'oba kwegamba nga embeera ekukuttemu ng'ofuna school fees loan weewaawo.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Here's how you chase that gray away. You're a hot air balloon that can go to space. With the air like you don't care, baby, by the way.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Hey! Makobore High School rukunjiri. Ernishomero eryabojo bonka. Eri barukushoma barukurarayo. Bine ona erevo. Nibegesa arts na sciences. Bine computer na science laboratories.
Ubuzima beji bona nibayikira iguru. Administrators na staff n'abahangu batendekirwe kurungi. Ishomero riryamusinje gwedini kandi abeji bona nibegesa bw'emice nibaresibwa kurungi. Ebyo kwirinda birije.
Hey! Makobore High School nishomero erukunda ebyemizano nka football, basketball, volleyball, handball, otebirwe nebya music, dance and drama. Makobore High School twehireyo okubasa kushomesa omwana w'omwojo akaba w'omugasho nyensya nirishangwa rukunjiri municipality aha mushozi g'obureberezi obwa Kigezi Diocese oburukwebemberwa Bishop Onesimus Asimwe.
Mureta beji emyanya takahwireyo moto yabo ni Ascendimas. Ebirukiraho tera not mushanju notemwe nkaga ni 5 not ina hatano ni 3 ninga not mushanju 5 nkaga na mushanju anana mwenda nshanju ni 3 ninga not mushanju 82 nkaga na mkaga hatano nina makumyana.
Omuganda makuru hariho abantu bana abahereze kufenshiro nce enyuma kandi abantu aba nibateberezebwa kuba barire enyama y'ente zisirwa endwara ya koto. Hati government eresire embazi y'amatungo okurwanisa endwara z'amatungo omu district egi.
Abashobo b'amatungo abo district yona bahirwe liters 10 ez'emibazi y'amatungo kandi bashabura okugisa omu barisa okureba ngo amatungo gabo gajemwa.
Government etwire liters 10 zetu kuzugaba bwen twageza okugaba mu magomborora mukaga da town councils ibiri akata on town councils ibiri tunezo mbya zona mbazi twagaba baza ku tandika kozi
ni buri muri session inganda ba
twatorana mu abarisa abashaho bagenzere mu field batorana mu abarisa abari hihina n'ekisharra ninga hihina national park ninga abandi abari hihi na nebishaka.
Please kindly give these herbal seeds to the right beneficiaries.
Endwara nka koto, chipumpuru, mpunjira, eshohera, engwa n'izindi nibishaka kuteganisa abariso muri yankore kato corridor.
That's why I was asking the vaccine for when are we benefiting, when are we getting it, or when is it being productive or being actually in big numbers. So I wish the government can do it as soon as possible. Exactly.
How are you using it? Is it okay? If there is any challenge, they report back. Because you also have to report back to the what?
Yeah.
The ministry. But we promise that we know after like 3 months, we shall have got your report on what and give it to you.
Ezitankwa no mainly tufa kugundi ekire enswera enzo etachipumpuli monteza fe oba mu
ababaji babiri Moses Asimwe na Adam Mukasa bakwasirwa gwo kubaga amatungo batabandiza kugakebera okumanya yaba gatine kabikona ahamagaraga abantu gasha kwasande ke William.
Amashomero hagarukushomesa abana bino buremezi omukureba nabenda government okonjera kubakwatiraho na mnongo mu bikwato nkebyo kwanditsa enkoni z'abana nebindi. Abantu bagira ngo emhendo y'ebintu by'abana aba barukoresa eriya higuru kandi abenje n'abargo mu maka hagatarukwebasa.
Misa y'umutano at St. Helen's Primary School Nyamitanga ho muri Murambarara bakuru b'amashomero baheruka kwatswaho ab'emihendo y'ebintu y'ebikoresebwa abana na mnongabo abinoboremeza amibiri yabo kabatari kureba nebindi nibagira ngo hakiriho nibura ry'abashomesa babana HKH.
I don't know how many times I discussed with the Archbishop about this school. I feared parish priest, but one time I told him, and he said, I'm there, and indeed he's here. I would thank him very much.
Now, Madam Honorable Finance Minister is here. The top changed. The top, the perception about our schools changed. About our mama take away to know that no, but we are also in great need.
Omukitambo kya message hona basima abeji abakuze kurungi ebigezo by'ekyamushanju ab'omwaka oguhwire ebya PLE aba St Helens Primary School.
Association with the City Education Office and the Diocesan Education Office for your continuous guidance. People Kampala are saying they favor the villagers. The villagers were not favored.
Omugan Kano James Mwesiji orukuraba RDC abo aburengera izoba yahiga abakuru b'amashomero okutandikaho project na munongezo ezirangije kutahiza amashomero gabo. Ebe n'ebindi yabigamba obarukurambura project zitari zimwe na zimwe na munongezo ziri zikorerwa ari Mbara Junior Primary School aho murembo rwambarara ayo batangiye project y'orutoke na bombeka
maraho miliyoni 38 ubu hari na pamp bakatimba mitazi 9 mwenda aha sa twatunga mizi parawa
ati project ya mize yatireho neza kuretera ishomero ribirene rushohoza miliyoni 8 ryatandika kushoza miliyoni 2 orutoke mwareba nuruza kugira ebitoke rero ebitoke ebyo bikoze sebwe omukureba ngo abana batunga balanced diet kandi nawo ahamwe ngombe humuro nabasa kuruguza ishomero nerutunge ntasya bweno bwebembezi nkobo no bwebembezi obwabantu abakufayo
nakusima dini akutwikiriza always to be here in this house of our Lord.
Omwanya ogwo bakuru b'amashomero na munongaga ga government nabo tebaburaho omukuramburoko.
And you must fight to shiver this time.
We are putting up a fantastic banana plantation where we have put so many things that are put in the boat. A perimeter fence.
Bwa mukuramburoko habaho okushaba omukushaboko noho basima nabeje abakozireje ebizam bya PL yabo mwaka ugwire okushaba kwa kwebembiremo omurebezi wa Nkole Right Reverend Associate Professor Fred Sheldon Mosegwa.
Yeah, you come to give thanks for the successful results. There are some whose results were held for cheating and for many other reasons.
Abwa TV West ndisenyomo Gideon na Eli Akiza.
Omugandi amakuru kandi ag'ebyemizano entebeekanisa z'okwetegura empaka z'amashomero aga niyo muri Kamwenge zitandikire n'ekigendererwa ky'okugira entebeekanisa y'omu Rurembo omwaka ogu aha rukiiko rw'okutebeekanisa okubiira aha mbuga nkuru eza district egi empaka ezi n'ez'okutandika 2019 okwezi okurukwija kandi amashomero gehanangirizibwa okugendera aha mateeka agatiirweho.
Chimanyisangu wa secondary school already. So ntakindu kusaba amasomero agandi gona tukore thorough training omubwire ekindi to making sure ngwemizano egi neya under 20 school going children
tebekanisa tushimirirwe twenda kugena emizano yitu eyo kuzanda tunentwazana batabitu amashomero agandi kandi ngo abana bashimerwa impakes twinati twine football girls kandi twine football boys abishi nabo akapira ko kusambusa amaguru so nikakapira kutwinako
last year we ended up in regional quarterfinals, so we lost 1-0, but we promised to push hard to the nationals.
Omuganda makuru mzanena niyo yazanwe izoba mu mpaka za Uganda Cup aho timu ya Maroons yashoza timu ya Kumi United erukusinga na gore mwarusha okuraba okuzo mu round ya timu ya 16.
Welcoming you to the Stanbic Uganda Cup. We are coming to you live all the way from the Maroon grounds here in Luzira for yet another epic quest of glory in this competition. There is much that actually anticipates, and of course for the Maroon side, they are playing. Odipio, that's a very good pass now. Obua flips it into the box. It is cut back, controlled by Kavuma, lays it down. Odipio! Struck to perfection by Picasso. Norman Odipio. Joseph Rogers Igume beaten from long distance. And Odipio strikes that ball into the back of the net. And Maroons can finally celebrate. They have looked for this goal. It has been hard-fetched. And they had to work twice as much just in order to get that. Began really well on the attack. Obua flipping it into the box. And then it was cut back to Kavuma. Tried to dilly-dally in there, then laid it through. And Odipio with that shot. Powerful. Very, very powerful goal from Odipio. For a player that actually joined the Maroons at the age of 8. Promoted to the senior team in 2021. Norman Odipio Picasso strikes goals here for the Maroons. Oh, that was a bullet.
Webare okureba makuru gitu Agacencwire wanaga kusina Mbabazi Charity nko tabasa kugahendera tutyo agandi noija kugategereza nyensha kare shamshanzi hangwe na shayibirizo mwebazi yo mu Muganda Agacencwire orare kurunje.